All right, folks, here we are. That's the tiny garage with the three of the bikes, the fourth one's inside. And this being just an introduction, I'll run you through them real fast. Kind of in order of purchase, I guess. This is my BMW F700 GS 2017. It's a parallel twin, liquid cooled. 19-inch front, 18-inch rear, about 74 horsepower. A great bike. I've got lots and lots of thoughts on it, so if you're interested in ADV or adventure bikes, there might be some content for you. This is my 2013 KTM 250 EXC two-stroke Enduro. 21-inch front, 18-inch rear. Somewhere around about 40 horsepower, I understand, two-stroke, liquid cooled. I've got lots of thoughts on this as well. I've got a little bit of a problem as to where to ride it, and had a bit of an accident and a few other things, so looking forward to tell you what I do with it, what I've done to it, and some thoughts on that. This is the newest one, I guess, to the stable. This is a 2021 Carabella. It is the DM250. It's a 250cc Honda CG engine clone. This was about $1,500 on eBay and is a fantastic bike. I've done a couple of little things to it. There's a few more things to go. I'm having a lot of fun on it. Okay, so that's that one. And then let's just real quick go inside the tiny garage. This is my 10 by 10 garage, and you'll see it is absolutely tiny. And yes, all of the bikes do kind of fit in here. Obviously I have to move them all out when I want to do anything, but there you go. So I've spent quite a bit of time putting together all the things that I need to do my own motorcycle maintenance, and I had to buy all the tools. I had to try and figure out how they all worked, and as such you're going to find out that this particular YouTube channel is not about me telling you how to do things. It's about me doing things and then you telling me how I've done them wrong, because I am definitely no expert. So this is the 1977 Carabella TS 100 two-stroke. It's a small road bike, and I selected it to take apart and rebuild because it's a very simple bike. These are some of the parts, and there's some more parts in there, and there are a few more parts over here. So there you go. I guess that is the tiny garage. They are my bikes. I would be lying if I said there aren't going to be more. There is a cheeky little Italian lady that I've got my eye on, and we'll talk about that in due course. All right.